morning, champions. This is Joshua Uchenna, and today we are going to be learning how to create this simple book cover design. So follow me carefully. So launch your Pixel app, and when you launch your Pixel app, you want to change the color of your background, right? That's the first thing you want to do. Change it to black. So when you go to colors, you are going to see where the black is. Just tap on it, and then your color is set to black. And the next thing you want to do is to check your book cover size, your book cover design size. Alright, the size of the book cover we are going to be using is this size: 1100 by 1400, 1100 by 1400. So this is A4, right? This is A4. Okay, this is A4. So this is 1100 by 1400, and that's what we're going to be using for our book cover design size. Okay, so let's import the specimen so that we're going to be looking at it. Alright. Okay, so this is the book cover design. So first we have an image, and then we have a simple text. What you want to do is to import the image which is going to be sent to you. So this is the particular image, right? So what you just want to do is expand. You see what? Getting the image, and then make sure it fits to where it's supposed to stay, whereby this red one is at this point, and the other one is at this point, giving you a space to write your text. So that is it for that. Once you import it, lock it up, and then the next thing you want to do is to write your book title. Now your own book title could be something different, but it must relate to the image that you are seeing on the screen. It must relate to the image that you are seeing on the screen, because every image in graphic design must relate to what you are designing. So this is what I have: stand out, right? Stand out. You can use something like be different, but it must relate to what we are doing. So let's reduce the size, and then this is what we have: stand out. So what you want to do is to go to your font, and then select a perfect font for this. Go to your normal font and select a perfect font for this. Now we need a tall font, a font that is tall. We don't need a font that is average or short. We need a tall font. So what we are going to do is to, okay, this is good. Alright, let's use this font. You see the font I selected? The font I selected is this Courtroom Regular, right? Courtroom Regular. So that is it for that. So I'll reduce this a bit. You understand, so that it's not too spaced out. And then I'll increase the text. I'll increase the text more. And then place it here, right? You can even make the text bold by using this bold option here. Just make it bold, stand out, right? So that's it for that. Let me see if I can add space into it. So you see I'm touching the design. So this is it. And the next thing you want to do is to bring in your write-up. I have my write-up here already, so just bring in your write-up and place it here. How to be the most paid and sought after in any field. Already you want to buy this book. Just by the combination of the images and everything, you want to buy the book. So this is an example of left alignment. You see that everything is being aligned to this side. Alright, everything is being aligned to this side, and this is just the image. So what I'm going to do is to write the name of the author, which already you know I am the author of this book. You understand? I am the author of this book. Alright, I'm the author of this book. The book was published in my mind. Amen. So this is my name, Uchenna Joshua. Alright, all in capital letter. So this is it. You see how I am maintaining the same font. All right, I'm maintaining the same font. Now the font you may use for this, you can use regular, right? You can use this particular font for the write-up. That's for this one. How to be the most speed and sought after. The font you can use is this. You can use regular. You see that? Okay, Roboto regular. That's the font you can use. But then let's continue. So this name is supposed to be bold too. So this is what I have. However, to make sure that this design does not look too plain, and is not a kind of it's good like this because this is left alignment, right? But then let's add some things to it. So what I want to do is to click on this shape icon, create my shape, and then position it to this point. Are you with me? Position it to this point, change the color to red so that it's going to rhyme with what we are doing. Click on OK, copy it. Now in this place most people are going to miss it out, but I want you to pay very close attention. Please pay close attention. So click on edit, follow me carefully. All right, follow me carefully, don't allow anything to distract you at this point. So what you want to do is to reduce the opacity. Turn on the stroke to 2. Change the stroke color to white. Is that clear? Now if you are with me, say I'm with you. Is that clear? Are you following? All right, so what you want to do next is to drag this thing out. Drag it out to this point. Click on OK. I see what we just created. Why I did that and copied it is so that this will be exactly at where it's supposed to be, right? It will align exactly with the other one that we created before. So as simple as that, we already have our design ready. Okay, we already have our design ready. So that's it for that. However, you can take this to the front. That's the red one. You can take it to the front and then you can edit it and add your own stroke to it. Sorry, that's not it. Look at this one, the red one. All right, so you can edit it. Follow me and you will see what will happen. Add your own stroke to it. 1, 2, right? Change the color to red, or you can change the color to yellow or any color you want, but then it's good to maintain whatever color you have been working with. So click on OK. You see that now? So that is it. Let me take this up a bit. Oh, okay. So you see what I'm saying? That is it here. Exactly this. So that is it here. Exactly this. You see, the white is no longer on this red one. So that's how it works. So this is how to create a book cover. What you want to do is to save your project. Listen, always save your project. Always save your project so that you don't lose it. Book cover. I've done a lot of book cover designs. So that's it. Book cover, and your name must be very unique. If there's a name that I've been taken already, just don't take that name. Your name must be unique. So export as image, ultra, png, save to gallery. So that's it for that.